Welcome to 597 Atwood Crescent, a beautifully updated 4+2 bedroom home with 4 washrooms situated within Southwest Pickering's well-established West Shore community. Stone walls next to the driveway match the stone exterior of the double-car garage. Mature trees provide shade along the east side of this premium corner property, while a covered front porch with old-fashioned charm has a new entry door with privacy glass insert and sidelight that opens into a freshly painted home with modern upgrades, light-filled rooms, as well as ample entertaining and living space for growing families. Vinyl plank flooring and pot lighting are showcased from top to bottom, with the main level having an open-themed flow and principal rooms that exude modern elegance. The formal entertaining spaces of the living and dining rooms enjoy an openness to each other, and with their placement away from the informal rooms, gives them a distinct aura of intimacy. A modern glass pendant light brings ambient brightness to the dining area, and both rooms have large windows on their respective east and west walls for abundant natural lighting. The north end of the home features the stunning modern kitchen and the adjacent family room. A contemporary farmhouse light fixture glows above the added workspace of the center island. The breakfast area enjoys views of the backyard greenery, and the home chef will delight in the fully renovated kitchen, which showcases modern cabinetry with a high-gloss veneer finish, quartz counters with a stainless steel double sink, mosaic glass backsplashes, as well as new stainless steel appliances including a dishwasher, oven with gas cooktop, range hood, and a French door fridge. 2 entryways opens the kitchen area to the family room, where an oversized north-facing window allows for diffuse lighting as well as backyard views, while the fireplace has the modern update of a light-colored tiled facade and mantel shelf with dark-colored accents. The sliding door walkout opens onto a large entertaining deck, which overlooks a premium-sized and fully fenced backyard that has a storage shed, mature trees for shade and greenery, and lots of outdoor space for play and gardening. The main level also has a coat closet off the entry hall, while off the main hallway is a laundry room with a front-load washer and dryer that also provides access to a powder room, its walls and floor finished with polished tiles, and its vanity having a quartz counter. To the upper level is a dark-stained hardwood staircase with painted railing and metal pickets, with this level featuring 4 naturally bright bedrooms and 2 beautifully updated washrooms, with the main washroom showcasing a polished tiled floor and walls, a bath area with a glass shower wall and door, a wall niche, and rainfall shower head, as well as a vanity with quartz counter and upgraded lighting. The second, third, and fourth bedrooms all have double closets, while the third and fourth bedrooms both additionally feature windows with backyard views and space for sitting or study areas. The graciously sized master suite can easily accommodate a sitting area. Its ensuite washroom showcases a polished tiled floor and walls, a glass shower with wall niche and rainfall shower head, as well as a vanity with countertop basin and upgraded lighting. while along the bedroom's east wall are 3 windows for lovely natural brightness, with the walk-in closet having an east-facing window as well. The fully finished lower level brings added living space to the home and showcases an open concept recreation area with a pine paneled wall and a second kitchen that has ample cabinetry storage, a fridge, as well as a stainless steel sink and oven. This level also features storage under the staircase, a 3-piece washroom with a Euro vanity and glass shower, and 2 bedrooms. Walking distance to Fairport Beach and Frenchman's Bay Public Schools, Father Fenelon Catholic Elementary School, as well as neighborhood parks, and minutes to the Petticoat Creek Conservation Area. This home is also just a short drive to the Pickering Town Center Mall, the GO Station, and has easy access to Highway 401. As well as being close to the shopping, entertainment, and waterfront enjoyment of Pickering's beautiful Frenchman's Bay community along Lake Ontario. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.